Well, guys, I have taken the motor down as far as I'm gonna go. I've done a quick check. Nothing on the crankshaft or the main bearings or the journal bearings or any of that stuff looks bad. Everything looks good. There's no scarring. Crankshaft is in really good shape. The block is in really good shape. I don't see any cracks anywhere. I sprayed the whole block down with WD-40 and some carburetor cleaner just to soak up some of the motor oil and loosen up some of the gaskets and stuff on it. I am not going to film or vlog me spending hours upon hours upon hours cleaning this block up. The next video you'll see is the solution that myself and a couple other people came up with to build this block or this motor for what it's intended for. Reliability won't be an issue. I've checked with guys that have been building these motors for 20 plus years, and I'll give you a hint. What they told me is that any aftermarket parts that you use on this motor would be less than used parts that are original from Isuzu. So, with that being said, I came up with a solution using OEM Isuzu parts, and I only had to buy a few of them. And we're going to work a little magic here on the engine block and the liners. And this is something that I've done a couple other times. I'll give you a hint. I had a 1992 Plymouth Laser that also had an iron block that was also a 4-cylinder. And I used this trick to bring it back to the normal compression and to eliminate blow-by. So I'm taking the experience that I had from that. This was a long time ago. Of rebuilding a 4G63 motor. Well, I made a Frankenstein motor out of it. I took a G4CS block, and instead of being 2 liter, it turned into 2.4, but regardless of that, before I put it back together, I did the same trick. I'm going to do the same trick on this. Fingers crossed, everything works out. From the people that I've spoken to, this is probably the best route that won't cost me, $1,000 to purchase parts and whatnot. So the next episode you'll see is the fixes that I came up with, and this engine block will be all cleaned up at that point, and we'll just move forward from that point. So with that being said, if you guys like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Tell me what you thought of this video. Liked it? Didn't like it? Stick some comments down below. It helps me build the channel up when you guys respond. And I really appreciate that. I try to get back to everybody in the comments section. So leave me some comments. But other than that, guys, take care and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.